Alright, so we're going to make a new video now. So the next thing you want to do is write down, make a plan right now. Now that you've learned everything, make a plan. This is the end of the first chapter. So make a plan, set it, then go look for stocks right now and start to fulfill them. So yeah. I know that was a very short video. Wait, I'm not done yet. Go make a plan. Make sure it works. Test your plan. Go back a few days. Maybe if you're on Thinkorswim, go back and replay the market. And do all that stuff before you do anything. And then, after this video, you're like, oh my gosh, this looks like a good stock. Then trade it. Don't be scared. Just don't. Don't go full in. I highly recommend you only trade small, lower. You know what I said before. This is the end of the first chapter. So go test it tomorrow. See you later.